Welcome! Now I can show you how to exit DFU mode on your iPhone 16e. So basically there are several different ways. The first way is just to press Exit DFU mode if you have TreeTools application on your computer. If you don't, we should just perform the force restart on our smartphone. If you don't know how to do that, you can watch our video about it or just see it right now. So press volume up, volume down, press and hold the power button till you see Apple logo on your screen. Okay, then release the side button when you see the logo, and I don't know why it's still detecting DFU mode. Maybe I should restart the application. And yes, and now it's still seeing my device in DFU mode, and here as you can see I can't, my device is not detecting any touches, touch screen is not respond. So now we should release the USB cable and force restart our smartphone again. Volume up, volume down, and then press and hold power button. When you see the Apple logo, so just release the side key, wait a while, and cool, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, hope this video was helpful for you, and bye, see you.